Hello, today we're going to start a new writing assignment. And when you see the daily check-in, it will look like this. And on here, you'll go to where it says writing, and it will let you know that your writing essay or article is in your packet you brought home from school that you can read. I also left it so you have a digital copy in case you can't find it, as well as the prompt, okay, and an example of a foursquare. So the first thing you want to do is read your prompt, okay? And with our prompt, we want to think, what is our opinion going to be? Are we going to decide yes or no? Do I want to have daylight savings or not? Do I agree, yes or no? Daylight savings has been around for over 200 years. Some people are saying it is not needed anymore. Should daylight savings still be used or not? Support your decisions using facts from the article. So when we read our prompt, we need to remember, our first thing is to remember attack. We want to attack the prompt. Let's circle the words that tell us what to do, which is the verbs, then underline what the verbs tell you to do, and then star what will make your writing stronger. And think about if there's any other thing that will help us with it. Once we've done that, that helps us really understand the prompt and know what we should be writing about. Now, remember on our writing that we are thinking about, right down here, our question, should we have daylight savings or not? That's what we're writing about. So once we get to that point of our tagging the prompt, then we can go and make on the back of our foursquare, remember how we can do our brainstorm? Remember brainstorm? Bing! Brainstorm. Okay, so we can just take 1 minute and write down as many things that will help us that we already know about daylight savings when we have to change our clocks an hour in the fall and in the spring, okay, which we just did last week. Then once we do that, then we can come over here and write down some things of what I learned to help my writing. What you learn is from the article. So say like saving daylight. You can go through and highlight information in here that will help you answer the prompt. Should we should we have daylight savings or not? So go through there and underline it. You can also write some things down on that paper if you need to. Any paper will do, it won't matter. And then once we figure that out, we go and we make our foursquare. Remember, it's just folded into 4. And in this first box, we have the introduction. It's our first paragraph. We have a hook, who, what it's about. We're going to state our opinion. Why is this important? And our preview. That's our 3 topics that we're talking about, our 3 main ideas, big ideas. Then this will be our first big idea, and our second big idea, and then our third big idea, why we should or should not have daylight savings. And then our last one right here is number 5 paragraph, our conclusion. We need to have transition words, and we need to restate our topic, and then we also need to have our punch at the end or our call to action. What will you do to change this, or right? Okay, so if you have any questions about that, let me know, and hopefully you will have an easy time finding this information. And let me know if you have in an email or a comment on Google Classroom, and I can help you. So good luck. For the beginning of your foursquare, you don't have to write the whole thing already. So just let me know. See ya.